Welcome to the Mellow Love tutorials.
Hello and welcome back to the Mellow Love. Today we are going to learn on how to change your phone's screen protector or tempered glass. I will also be making this tutorial in Malay and Iban, so be sure to share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. So let's start.
So first you're gonna need these 6 items, which is your microfiber cloth, sellotape, dust absorber, but you can also replace it with sellotape, your screen protector wipes, your new screen protector, a phone, and some scissors. In today's tutorial, we are going to be using an A20s with an already cracked tempered glass, and I'm going to be showing you how to remove it safely. So make sure you have a tempered glass that perfectly fits your phone. You can check it out first and see if it's the correct size. And there is a Shopee link down below that I have added to a shop where I always buy my tempered glass for me and my family. It has almost every phone type, so you can go ahead and check it out. It should be around 1 to 3 ringgit if they have not changed the price, and this will save you so much money compared to buying at a shop where it goes up to 30 ringgit. So back to the tutorial. You're gonna first want to line your old tempered glass with sellotape, just like in the video. Okay, so you're going to want to make sure every single part of the old tempered glass is covered with the sellotape, because after this we are going to be peeling the tempered glass and it tends to shatter and break. So the sellotape is going to protect you from any glass that might fling about. So after this, we're going to want to peel this carefully. I have injured myself doing this before, but if you do it slowly, you reduce the risk of injuring yourself, and the more longer that you haven't changed the tempered glass, the more probability that it's going to shatter even more. But I change mine frequently, so it's quite easy to get it off this time. So you're going to want to dispose of this carefully so it doesn't injure another person. Next, we are going to take the screen protector wet wipes and wipe the surface of the phone. These screen protector wet wipes should be available with every single purchase of screen protectors that you buy. Okay, so we're gonna want to make sure that it's thoroughly clean. Make sure you get every single edge, because you want your new screen protector to be able to stick onto your phone properly without any dust or fingerprints. Make sure you do not touch your screen while you are wiping it, and minimize the touching of your screen as much as possible. And I like to use the access to just clean the back of my phone to phone service. Next, we're going to take the dry wipes to wipe off any excess moisture from the wet wipes before, and you can also use this to wipe off any dirt that the wet wipes couldn't take off before, which is actually impossible that it couldn't take it off. But okay, now we're just going to make sure it is nice and dry, and we're also going to be wiping it with the microfiber cloth just to get off any other dust after this. Microfiber cloth is really good at removing any smudges that may be present, and it's also good at removing dust. Now, we do not want any dust on this phone at all, because you do not want any pieces of dust or lint to be stuck between your new screen protector and your screen. So now we're going to take sellotape or the dust absorber, but I'm very used to using sellotape. So you're going to want to fold it in two like this, and then we're going to be using this to take off any dust that you can see, and sometimes you can't even see it. So I like to just try and cover the whole page. Oh, and make sure you are in an environment where your fan is not on or there is no moving wind, to eliminate the possibility of dust flying around, and this will make your job a whole lot easier. We just do not want any dust to be there at all, and make sure to check every now and then if there's any dust. And if you know that it's clean, now it's finally time to put on our screen protector. Okay, so now we are going to peel the protective film of the screen protector or the tempered glass off, and I'm going to show you how. So first, you're going to take either the guide stickers that are available with your dust absorber, or you're going to take a sellotape and you're going to place it at the corner of your tempered glass after you have peeled the protective film. So this is going to help you be able to hold the tempered glass without putting any smudges or fingerprints on it. So here I am actually using the guide sticker, but I usually use sellotape, and personally I think sellotape works better. So you're going to peel the film and fold it in two and hold it together using your fingers like this. Okay, so now you're going to want to put the guide sticker at the corner of your tempered glass. So this is going to be a placeholder for you, so you can hold it like this and hold it steadily from one side to another. So now you're going to peel the protective film completely off, And you can hold the tempered glass on the edges like this. Okay, so now you're gonna want to adjust your phone and turn on the screen so you can see exactly where your screen or the lighted part of your screen is. And now you're going to have to align your tempered glass with your screen. So this will take quite a while, and you can adjust it however you want. Now don't worry if you have put it on wrongly, because that is what the guide sticker is for, and I will show you later how to peel your tempered glass off properly without damaging it. So don't worry if you make any mistakes, you can correct the mistakes later, just as long as you do not try to take the tempered glass off using your nails, because that will damage the glue underneath and it will leave a mark. So here I'm going to be showing you how to peel off the tempered glass and readjust your tempered glass. So you're just going to want to slowly pick it up and slowly peel it off from the phone. So you're going to want to have to do this slowly so that the glue does not come off the tempered glass. And it's okay to even take off the whole thing all at once if you have improperly aligned it. So you're just gonna turn on the screen again and align it all over again. You can do this multiple times, just as long as you do not use your nails or forcefully take it off, it'll be fine. Okay, so here I have finally properly put on the tempered glass on my phone, and you're just going to want to take the microfiber cloth and push out all the air and properly do this. Make sure there is no trapped air inside or any trapped bubbles. So you're going to want to check again if there's any dust or anything in between there. Hopefully there's none. And now I'm going to teach you how to take off the guide sticker. So you're just going to want to peel it out. You're going to want to twist it and try to take it out from the side so it worked properly. And you're just going to take the microfiber cloth and really press the screen and push out all the bubbles and make sure there's no bubbles. Sometimes the people who sell the screen protectors also provide you with this sort of gel that you can fill the edges. For example, if you have a curved screen phone, you can use it to fill the edges so that the white parts of the edges are not seen. I'll probably show you that in a different video, but here it is, a completed change screen protector. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, like this video. If you encounter any problems or have any questions regarding this, just leave a comment down below and I'll try to help you as much as I can. Thank you all for watching. Mellow Love signing out. See you next time.